Welcome to all for today's session on course Java Programming for Beginners. In this course, we are going to discuss the topic Introduction of Java Programming. Here we start from the introduction of Java Programming. The content of today's presentation are History of Java Programming, Features of Java Programming Language. We are going to discuss as a part of today's session. Here first we are going to discuss about the history of Java programming. The Java programming is one of the object-oriented programming language developed by James Gosling, Patrick Nagleton, Charis Worth, Eddie Frank, and Mike Sheridan at Sun Microsystems Incorporation in 1991. The small team of Sun Microsystems is called a green team, and they given a name to the project as a Green Talk. The Green Talk initially as it from the green team, so they called as a Green Talk. The extension is given for the language initially is .gt. Later on they developed more improved version of the concept, and the given name is called as OK. Later on, they are searching for the name that should be very suitable as a programming favor it is, so that the programming is really cool, lively, dynamic, revolutionary, and easy to spell and fun to say. The James Gosling searching for a name for the language, so that the name should be very cool, lively, dynamic, revolutionary, and easy to spell and fun to say. In 1995, the James Gosling introduced the name for a programming language as a Java. In fact, Java is island of Indonesia, where the best coffee of the world is produced. Sun Microsystems first time introduced full set of programming environment is called Java Development Kit. It was released in January 23rd, 1996. The initial motivation for the development of Java programming language is to develop a language which is platform independent language, and it is designed for the small embedded systems and suitable for many electronic appliances like set-top boxes. The Java programming language becomes popular nowadays as a language of internet because of the portability feature and the security feature of Java programming language. This is about the history of Java programming language. Then after that, we are going to discuss about the features of Java programming language. There are various features of Java programming language. First one is Java is object-oriented, simple, secure, portable, high performance, multi-threaded, interpreted, architecture neutral, distributed, platform independent, dynamic, robust. These are the various features supported by the Java programming language. Here we are going in detail about the features of Java programming language. First one is Java is simple, small, and familiar programming language for the programmer who knows C and C++. The syntax which are specified inside a Java programming language that are somewhat similar to C or C++ programming language syntax. Once a programmer knows C and C++ programming language, they can easily learn the Java programming language. The Java programming language eliminates the several complexity of the existing C and C++ language. Like Java programming language does not support for the operator overloading. Java programming language does not support for the direct pointer manipulation or pointer arithmetics. Java programming language does not support for the multiple inheritance. Java programming language does not support for malloc, and the free functions are used for the memory allocation and deallocation. In Java programming language, allocation and deallocation of memory is done automatically for the data objects. Once the programmer knows C and C++ programming language, that programmer can easily learn the Java programming language. Only there is somewhat new features are added in a Java programming language, and some complex features are the features which create a ambiguity inside the C or C++ language that are get removed from a Java programming language. The next one is Java is object-oriented programming language. Java is called as object-oriented programming language because the Java programming language is based on the object-oriented principles. In Java programming language, everything is defined in terms of class and the objects. In Java programming language, use or acquire the reusability features with the help of concept of package. In a package, the programmers can define the classes and interfaces, or inbuilt classes and interfaces are defined in the form of packages, so that the programmers can make use of interfaces and methods of the classes which are available in the package for the implementation of the applications. For programmer, no need to go for the implementation of methods or implementation of the interfaces. They are concerned with how to use and what kind of interfaces and classes and methods are available inside the package. The object model of Java is very simple and easy to extend it. The next feature of Java programming is Java is robust and secure programming language. The code is written inside the Java programming language. It becomes robust and secure because in Java programming language, the reliability of code is checked before the execution of the program in terms of it will support for Java programming language support for strict compile time and runtime checking of data type. Whatever data types or data objects are defined inside the Java programming language, the type of the data objects are checked at compile time and at execution time of the program. Java support for the exception handling to avoid the abnormal execution, abnormal termination of the program due to the occurrence of runtime error during the execution of the program. Then in Java programming language, it will verify all the memory access. The next one, in Java programming language, no viruses can communicate with an applet. Applet is one of the feature of Java programming language. Through the concept of applet, we can design a small program which runs inside the browser window at client side. Then next feature, due to that Java is reliable because of Java is garbage collected language, means in Java programming language, whatever memory is allocated for data objects, that memory, if that objects are not used, are not referred for, are not in use for long time, then the memory of that object is released automatically due to the garbage collection feature. The next feature of Java programming language is a secure. Java is secure programming language. Java is secure programming language. It is used for programming over the internet. Various kind of applications which are working over the internet is get developed through a Java programming language because of its security feature. Java is secure language because when before the execution of code in Java programming language, whether the code is affected by the virus or not is get checked. Then that code is get executed. If that one is affected, then the warning message or that code is not get executed because of code is affected by the virus, so that it does not makes any effect over the other programs. The next one, Java is secure because of absence of pointer. In Java programming language, no direct access for the memory is permitted because of absence of pointer concept in a Java programming language. The next feature of Java programming language is Java is a compiled and interpreted programming language. When you write a program in Java programming language, you have to execute that program. The program goes through two steps. One is compiled and next one is interpreted. The Java compiler will translate the source code into a bytecode. Once a Java compiler translates a source code into a bytecode, that bytecode is not a machine code or non-executable code. Is non-executable code. The bytecode is common or generalized code for all the Java virtual machine. The Java interpreter means a Java virtual machine. The Java virtual machine is the interpreter which can translate a bytecode into a machine code, that is executable code. And here we can see that a bytecode is highly optimized set of instruction to be executed by a Java runtime system, is known as Java virtual machine. The bytecode is non-executable code. The Java virtual machine need to be implemented for each platform. The Java virtual machine need to be implemented for each platform. When each and every platform provide its own Java virtual machine for translation of bytecode into a machine level instructions. Although the details vary from machine to machine, all JVM will understand the same bytecode. Due to the bytecode feature of Java programming language is platform independent programming language. Then Java is platform independent and portable language. Java is platform independent and portable language means once you write a program, we can execute that program anywhere on any platform. A Java program written and compiled on one machine, Java program is written and compiled on one machine and can be executed on any other machines. If any kind of changes or any kind of updation is happen inside a Java source code, Once that program is get compiled successfully and bytecode is generated, in that case, if that program, in that case, that program is get executed on any platform, anywhere. If any kind of changes are happen in the software or hardware resources of the system, that does not makes any impact over the execution of the Java program. Java is totally platform independent and portable programming language. Here, this diagram shows the Java is platform independent and a portable language because of bytecode. A bytecode is highly optimized set of instruction that is common for all the platforms. Common for all the platform. Bytecode is non-executable code. Okay, each and every platform having its own Java virtual machine. Through that Java virtual machine, the bytecode is get translated into a machine level instructions. Then Java is distributed and network oriented programming language. With the help of Java programming language, it is possible to develop a distributed and network based application because of in Java programming language, the Java programming language provides the packages or the libraries which are required for implementation of network based application and distributed applications. The Java programming language comes with networking library or distributed application libraries for development of applications which is work in a distributed environment and in network environment like RMI and RSPC. These are the examples of distributed environment. RMI means remote method invocation. RPC means remote procedure calls. Then next feature of Java programming language is a multi-threading and interactive. A Java programming language is a multi-threaded programming language because in Java programming language, in a conventional programming language, the program is get in C or C++ programming language. In C and C++ programming language, a program is considered, a whole program is considered as a single thread. Whole program is considered as a single thread. Okay, it will get executed sequentially. Okay, it will get executed sequentially, whereas multi-threading is a new feature is added in a Java programming language. Due to multi-threading feature in Java programming language, the program is get divided into the number of subprograms, and each subprogram is act as the threads. Act as a thread means inside a single program we can write a number of threads, and each threads are get executed independently. That is due to the multi-threading feature in Java programming language, more than multiple tasks are get executed simultaneously. Here program is get divided into the number of threads, and that number of threads are get executed simultaneously. Here Java runtime system contains a tools to support multi-process synchronization and construct smoothly running interactive systems. The next one is high performance. A Java programming language is a high performance programming language because of the Java programming language support for the multi-threading features, and the Java programming language used some advanced compilers like just-in-time compilers. Due to the use of some advanced feature like multi-threading features and the just-in-time compilers, the Java programming language performance of Java programming language in terms of execution is high. as compared to other programming language. The next feature of Java programming language is a dynamic. A Java programming language is a dynamic programming language because in a Java programming language, a new libraries in terms of classes, in terms of interfaces, in terms of packages are get added, are get added continuously, so that a Java programming language support for dynamically linking new class libraries, methods, and the objects, and it also makes the efficient use of the functions available in C and C++ programming language. Installing a new version of libraries, inside a Java programming language automatically updates all the programs. Then about here in this session we discuss about the history of Java programming language. Then we discuss about the features of Java programming language. Here we can see that a Java programming language is a general purpose object-oriented programming language. It was developed by James Gosling in 1991. And the team of Sun Microsystems is called as Green Team, and the name is given as a Java programming in 1995 by James Gosling. The Java programming language having various features, like Java programming language is simple, small, and familiar, object-oriented, compiled, interpreted, robust, secure, platform-independent, portable, then distributed and network-oriented, multi-threaded and interactive, and high performance. These are the various features of a Java programming language. These are the references for preparation of this topic. So that in today's session, I will stop here. Thank you.